Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to the third part of integrating Facebook Messenger with Rasa Chatbot. Now let's understand how to do that. So this is what exactly we have done in the last session. So in short, your chatbot is ready. Now the last step that you have to do is you have to integrate your Rasa chatbot with your Facebook Messenger. So for that, let's see what exactly we need, right? So for that, rest of the things, whatever we have done, that should be in the same way, whatever it is. Now you need to open this credentials. So let's say just go here, and here when you will find this credentials.yml, just go here, right? So this is what exactly I'm having. In this, rest of all the things will be let's say commented, right? So only this thing is uncommented. Now similarly, here you can see this is a Facebook implementation, or let's say the credentials for your Facebook application, which will be used here, so that you can further link your Rasa chatbot, this Rasa chatbot, with your Facebook Messenger, right? So this is what exactly you have to do. Now you are having three options, or let's say three values. The first one is a verify, second one is secret, and third one is page access token. Now where to get these tokens, right? So for that, let's go to the browser and let's see how to get them. So just go to the browser. So this is what we have done. Now in here just type developers.facebook.com. so simply press enter and just go to this website. So here on the top you can see there is one option, my apps. So just click on that, and here there is one option which is create app. So just click on it. So now you can see it will ask you to enter some name for your Rasa chatbot. So let's say I want to give it a name as IY-Corona update. So this is what exactly the name that I want to give here, right? Now create app ID. Now just click here and verify that you are a human being. Now submit. So this will take you here. So this is an application where you have to integrate your Facebook Messenger. Now here you can find that there is an option which is named as Messenger. Now click on this setup. So just click here. Okay, so here you can see it will provide you so many options over here, right? So the first thing that you need to do over here is you need to find the access token, right? So this is the access token. So you are having two options. If you are having a new page, or let's say you already have a page, then just click over here, add or remove pages. Otherwise, if you are new to this Facebook and you don't have any Facebook page created, so just click over here and just follow the instructions, right? So this will help you create a new page for your Facebook page, right? Now as I am already having a Facebook page with me, so that I can directly link it and I can show you how to do that. So for that, just click here, add or remove pages. So it will open a pop-up window. Now click here and continue as Ashish Sani, just because I have already logged into this particular browser, so that I don't have to log in again to Facebook. So that is the reason I was able to continue. So just click on continue. Now in here you can see there are so many pages that I am having. But for now, the page that I want to use is this one, IY-Corona updates, which I have already created for this purpose, right? So just select this and click next. So for now, let's just click on done and let's see what will happen. So it will say you have now linked IY-Corona update to Facebook. So just click OK. Okay. So now you can see there is a name IY-Corona updates displayed over here. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to click on this. So just click on this generate token, and here just click on this I understand, and just copy the complete token which you are having with you, and after that just click on done. Now just go to here, and here instead of this page access token, just replace the code that you are having. So just paste it over here, right? Now also just uncomment this part and just give it a name as update, because I have given it a name like this. And now I have got this, I have got this. The last thing that I am left with is this secret, right? So this is what exactly I have to add now. Now go back, right? So this is what exactly I have done. Now for this, what you have to do, you have to go to settings and just go to basics. So here you will see that there is one option, app secret, right? So this is the key which we actually require to add in here, right? So to do this part, what you have to do, you have to click on this show. So when you will click on the show, it will ask you to enter the password, because this is not the key that you should share with anybody. So to keep it secret, what you have to do, just enter the password and just copy it and paste it on there, right? So in my case, let me just do it for you. So now just copy this and paste it here, right? So I will paste it here. So it is done now, right? So everything is done. Just save changes, right? So everything is done. Now after that, again go to this messenger settings. So rest everything is done. The last thing is left. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go back to this, and in here just stop this for now, and here instead of running in that way, just type Rasa run, right? So this will open this for you as per the credentials that we are having over here, right? So you can see this is running here, right? So everything is working fine, right? So this I am done. After that, the thing that I need to do is I need to run a server, right? So for that, what I have to do is I have to create, or let's say I have to add the callback URL. So here you can see it is ask you to callback URL and also for the verify credential, right? So this is what exactly I have to add now. So for that, let me show you what exactly you have to add here. So yeah, here you can see there is a web link which I need to add here, right? So for that, I will just paste this up. But in here, in place of this your host, you have to add your domain name or whatever you are having, if in case you are having that. Otherwise, for now, what I will do is I will use the ngrok, and I have already shown you how to use that ngrok with your Rasa chatbot, right? So let me just copy a link for that so that I can paste it here. Now just copy this HTTPS link so that it will be global. So copy this and just paste it here, right? So this is what exactly I have done. So this is one thing that I have done, and second thing is you need to add the verify token, right? So let me just add that, and you will get it from here. So this is the name, which is verify. So just paste it here. And now just click on verify and save. Got it? So you can see everything is set up for you, and the last thing that is left here is just click on this add subscription and just select messages and messaging post back for this, right? Now save it and everything is set up, right? So now everything is set up, everything is working. Now if you will go to your messenger and you will search for this IY coronavirus update, which is the name of your page, so just check for it and just send a message over there, right? So with that you will be able to further communicate with it, right? So this is what exactly I have done, and now I will be able to do it. So let's see how it will work. So here you have seen how to integrate your Facebook Messenger with your Rasa chatbot and to further communicate with it in the way you want. And also in this case, when you are going to communicate with your Facebook page, it will reply automatically just because at the back end you are having a chatbot that is working for you, that is communicating in place of you. So this is how exactly we can integrate your Rasa chatbot with Facebook Messenger and make your application more attractive, right? So this was it, right? So I think everything is very clear to you, but still if you are having any kind of difficulties in any of the topic, then you can definitely leave a comment below in the comment section, and also you can suggest us if you want us to make any kind of videos for you. And also if you have liked this video, then do click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any kind of videos from my side. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.